Hello, I'm Zebedee Jimenez, and I'm the manager for the aftermarket, and I drive a Hyundai Accent CRDi. So this is my Hyundai Accent CRDi, and I drive it daily. I bring it to car meets, I bring it to the track, and I drive it to work as my daily driver. The reason why I installed the DTE PedalBox on my car is because I always complained about the delay before getting the kick-in of the turbo. So I installed the DTE PedalBox, and then after having fun with the PedalBox, I even added the power control to add some more power with the potential of the engine. So after installing the DTE PedalBox, I instantly noticed an instant improvement in my acceleration and improved throttle response. Then when we even added the DTE PowerControl, it added an additional 30% in the power and torque and an additional savings in fuel efficiency. I recommend all car owners to try out the DTE PedalBox and the DTE PowerControl. It gives a big improvement in your car's performance, and it's available here at the aftermarket.